I have connected the Sonos Beam Generation 2 and the Bose Solo Soundbar Series 2. Right now I am connected, I have connected both of them, the iPad, where I will have some audio files, which I will play for both of these speakers, and we will do some comparison test. So I'm connected to Bose Solo Soundbar Series 2, and I'm going to play an audio file from one of the songs. The speaker volume is pretty much very close for both of them, so the sound should be pretty much, the volume level should be same. So let's hear this out. Let me play another song connecting it to Bose Solo Soundbar Series 2. bad. I will put up a YouTube video and we'll listen to this, sound from both of these speakers. So this was an audio, and the demonstration was on the audio file played from an iPad. So let's hear something out from the Samsung QLED Q6 series television. The Sonos is connected on HDMI-eARC port, whereas the Bose Solo Series 2 is connected on an optical port. So let's hear the same file from the YouTube video from both of these speakers, and let's compare it. Okay, that was pretty good and pretty loud. I think I have, prepared the video for our viewers, and at the discretion, it's their own choice to choose any one of them or even both of them, and they would have the comparison over here. The price out of the Costco for Sonos at this moment for Beam Generation 2 is $449 plus tax, whereas the Bose Solo Series 2, which is on the right hand side here, is $199 plus tax. Sound, I have both of them, so I mean, say my, as of this moment with the given price and everything, I would prefer to have Bose Solo, to be very honest with you, because the sound quality and the bass really seems to be very loaded on the Bose Solo, and that makes the vibration in the room quite well. Whereas on the other hand, the clarity on the audio is equally good in the Bose compared to Sonos. So if added the bass on top of it, makes it really perfect and like a home theater. I am really not feeling that Dolby Atmos with the Sonos, to be very honest with you. If I really don't have that solo speakers behind me, I believe the connectivity with the Sonos is pretty good, because it connects over the Wi-Fi. So as soon as you add new speakers of Sonos, open up the app and connect those speakers, all of them would be connected with the Wi-Fi, and then the sound would be pretty good. I will do that as well in my next video. But as of this moment, if you have these solo speakers, Sonos and the Bose, then you are your judge for by watching this video, and you can judge what is the best. I hope you really liked this video. I hope it really helped you understand. You can pretty much check out the unboxing of both of these speakers, and I hope this video really helped you. If you really love it, please like it and subscribe the channel. I would keep posting these kinds of videos for you. Thank you very much. Bye.